Hello, welcome to That's Food and Barbecue. Today we're going to make some hanger steak, but first we're going to assemble Where We Go Anywhere. So this is the fairly new version that does not have any handles on the sides, but it's okay. So let's see what we have in here then. We have the manual, the lid, charcoal grate, grill grate, handle. Pretty straightforward. It's not going to be rocket science putting this together. I'm going to start off by unscrewing the handle, put them through the lid. This is going to be the easiest assembly ever, I think. Then they even supplied you with a little tool to fasten this. There we go, part one done. Okay, so assembly on this is seriously simple. We're just going to take the vent. These tongues are going downwards. And then we're going to put the legs on there. They're supposed to go like that underneath, which means that they're going to flip down. We're going to put a washer on it, through the vent, and then through the hole in the lower side of this. The vent on the other side, downwards as well. Washer. And there we go. In the bottom of this, we're going to put this. It's like a heat shield that's going to keep any dripping charcoal away from that. You cannot put the charcoal grate underneath the legs here. So this will be resting on top of there, just like so, giving the airflow a good way to work. Anyway, grill grate like that, lid like that. There we go. And then we have a little clip that goes when the grill is in use, just to keep the grill sturdier. This little clip goes on here, and this is just used to secure the legs together, just like so. I just realized I have this glass fiber or fiberglass gasket, and I'm actually going to put that on here since I have it, and this is brand new. So I'm going to cut this into length, usable length for this. I think this will keep the smoke from escaping and heat from escaping, which could be good in a cold country like Sweden. And there we go. Let's try it out. Nice and firm. Well, that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Bye.